90% of contractors are unhappy with the growth of their business. I'm Jason Howland, creator of the ActionCloser system. I wanted to give you some insight into what our system is and what it can do for you. First of all, there's two different kinds of contractors in this world. Contractor number one is always working. 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. every single day, 7 days a week. He's ordering, installing, selling, dealing with customer service issues, customer complaints, everything there is to deal with, he's dealing with. And he's everything to everyone, and the bigger his company gets, the less time there seems to be in the day, and he's always watching contractor number two, trying to figure out how this guy can be on vacation 6 times a year, how he's always home by 6, at every ball game, never misses a school event, never has any problems, and his company seems to continue to grow like clockwork, whether he's there or he's not. What's the difference? Well, we'll get to that in a second, but if you felt any of that, you're not alone. There's almost 18 million contractors in the United States today, and almost all of them have less than 20 employees, and 82% less than 5. And when you ask why they struggle to grow, they'll give you one of the same 4 answers. Number 1, they don't have time to hire and train. Number 2, they don't have money for the salaries for these people. Number 3, there's not enough work. They're going to have people standing around. And number 4, nobody good is looking for a job. There's no good people out there. I hear it every day, and those are real problems. Some people say they're excuses. I disagree. I think those are some of the biggest problems. In fact, I would call them the top 4 problems facing contractors today. How do you solve that? There's a one-word solution. You know what it is? Sales. The problem with most contractors is they're trying to grow their company from the bottom up. They're starting backwards. They're trying to hire an installer. They're trying to hire an office person. They're trying to hire another position. And you know what those positions come with? Salaries. On the other hand, if you grow your revenue, in other words, sell more, you'll actually force the growth of the rest of the company. The more work you sell, the more work you're going to have to do, which means more employees. The other benefit is you're going to have more workers. You're going to create more jobs, which means what for you? More time. And because of that, that's how you're going to grow your company. With the ActionCloser system, you're the hero of your own story. We take what you already know and we turn it into a presentation and a training system that allows us to train your new people in 2 weeks. That's how we're going to grow your company and turn it into a life-changing sales organization. If what I'm saying is resonating with you, now is the time. Don't wait. There's no better time than right now to get your business growing and start making that money and creating the freedom you dreamed of when you started.